What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go.
Tonight's journey will take us from the Harbour View roundabout all the way to Port Royal Street. So of course, we'll be passing by the Raytown community and going through a section of downtown Kingston via Ocean Boulevard by the waterfront. Journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual guys, I hope you enjoy.
You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end. Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't state what you're getting so hollow. So go, cause you're thinking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end. Life doesn't wait, you can see and waste away. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end. but I'm still the unheard, still the unheard of. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake in an alien world where I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of. I'm still the unheard of. Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's trash out in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely. Around lately, the world seems to be the same. There's only room for the privileged and sacred, yeah. Ooh, and the ones who praise them. Will you stay with me? I'm lost in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in America. Stay with me. I'm lost in America. Stay with me now. Oh, yeah. Wide awake in an alien world, alien world. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard, still the unheard of. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake in an alien world where I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of. I'm still the unheard of. Ooh, will you stay with me? Ooh, I'm lost in America. We're in
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.